A 16-year-old Indonesian youth named Sayan has amazed the world by creating a solar panel generator by placing glass pieces on a silver pan. What's even more surprising is that he has no formal educational qualifications. But as the saying goes, if you have talent and creativity within, formal qualifications aren't always necessary. And Sayan proved this point with his incredible invention. In this video, you will learn how he made this amazing discovery.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against
First,
people
Sayan
who
took a
act
large
it,
glass
being
mirror to
negative when
create
we
the
should be
pan.
getting after
He
it.
marked it with a scale to make
I
the
got
right
facts over
measurements
facts
and
over
cut it
tracks
using a
and
glass
facts,
cutting
slow,
device.
spitting fast,
He
off the
then
ropes,
separated the
gas, think
pieces
I'm
into
okay
smaller
at
parts.
last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You
Next,
know
he
I'll
glued
always
the
be
glass
a bit
pieces
superior.
onto the
Get off
inside of
of
the
me,
silver
this ain't no
pan
humble
using
brag.
gel
I want
glue
you to hear
and cut
words,
the
you
outer
can say
glass
it
into
back. I
equal
want you to
segments.
feel free from the
Once the
chains
pan
that
was
last into
complete,
believing what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone to
Sayan
tell.
placed it under sunlight, and the pan generated so much heat that it ignited a piece of paper in just a few seconds. After completing the first part, Sayan moved on to the second phase of creating a photon solar generator. First, he dismantled a television with the help of a screwdriver, removing a tube from inside. He then broke the tube by smashing it with a brick and took out the proton generator from the tip. He removed the glass covering using a hammer and used an incandescent bulb to extract the generator from the tube. After cutting off the remaining parts of the bulb, he inserted the generator and fixed it with sticky gum, thus creating the first solar generator. Next, he connected the generator to a motor and illuminated it with a torch. The solar panel generator converted the torch's light into electrical energy, powering the motor to spin automatically. Afterwards, Sayan added a plastic PVC pipe to the front of the generator, completing his solar panel generator. Sayan then took his completed solar generator to an open field. He installed the proton solar generator on a solar stick, connected the motor and fan, and watched the fan spin beautifully while the motor pumped water. This remarkable invention by a 16-year-old is not only creative, but also informative. I wanted to share this with you all. If you found the video interesting, feel free to share it with your family and friends. And let's inspire our